Hey, it's Jason with jams.net. Thanks for tuning in. I am here with my 2023 Ford Maverick XL Hybrid. I absolutely love this hybrid. If you watch my video about the Softopper, you know I have a Softopper on the back. I've removed it. I had a warranty claim. I had to get this. So remember, I said I already have a warranty claim, and the claim was because this came out of one of these guys, which is a safety strap. So they sent me an entire new pole, I believe, which I think is in here, because I ended up not doing the rivets or anything. So I want to open this up and show how to install this. But I do want to give huge shout out to Softopper. Yeah, I had a warranty claim, but you know what? If something happens and they stand behind the product, and I had this replacement part very quick. I had the replacement rivet in like 4 days. This came a couple weeks later. It wasn't on back order, but everything was fully functional until I got this bad boy. But these folks at Softopper, they listened to me. They gave me advice. They didn't ask a bunch of questions. They said, hey, no problem. We stand behind our product. It's a good product. Things happen. We're going to send you a new one. So absolute thumbs up to Softopper. I love doing business with companies that actually stand behind their product. Doesn't happen much anymore. But these folks, they do. So let's go ahead and open up this box. Again, they sent me the what I believe is the whole new pole. It's a safety strap. It's basically designed so in the event the buttons pop off the side of the Softopper, it's not going to catch air and completely blow off, because it's going to have straps that hook on each corner of the railing, which holds the Softopper on. So if it happens and you're out and about, it's still functional. You're not going to be, oh crap, I got to take the whole thing off to drive it. So it looks like they did send me the whole guy. Let me get these undone, and then I'll show you how it's going to install. So I have it unpackaged. Let me first show you what the issue was. So this is going to be like this on the back. And when I say the safety strap, this guy is riveted into this pole. Somehow or another, this fabric came up and over the rivet and the little spacer or washer there, I guess, and the fabric just came off. So it was supposed to be here, but it was gone. So that's important, because when you hook the Softopper up, you strap it in here, so that way if the buttons come off of the side, you still have some safety mechanisms. So that is what they sent me. So what we want to do now is actually install this guy. And it looks like it's going to go, looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and this will completely pop off, and then you're probably going to, there's like a button or something I think you push in to get it out. So this is easy enough to fix. Let me get the camera in position and we'll do it. Okay, so I'm just using a standard Phillips head screwdriver, and it looks like you're going to want to do this one on the back. There's one underneath of it, and oh, it came with screws in it, so I don't think you need to back these all the way out. Yeah, in fact, you can kind of tell when it gets loose. How it pops out, you can see this guy here. Keep the screws together, but then it should just lift out, I believe. Yeah, so see, it lifts right up. I'm gonna have to take this one out too, it looks like. This should just pop off of that. Perfect. And then up in here, there's a pin. I obviously have the Softopper off and in storage mode, but I would recommend if you were placing it, maybe at least enclose it up. You could push this little guy in here. Bam. Man, that is easy. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So the old pole, nice and together. I would lay that there. Now we're going to install the new one. So first I am going to, you need to have these completely out because it goes over the other bar to kind of create that accordion type of swing. So you have to pull these completely out. So now I can take this with that little snap button right here. I'm gonna put it up inside. I'm gonna push the button in so it will go in to the other pole, and then it's going to basically click into place. Boom, clicked. Now I have the new pole in here, and then all I have to do now is, with this lined up, pop this through and screw it in. Can't get much easier than this. The new pole is on. That safety strap is back on the rivet, how it should be. Absolute thumbs up, Softopper. If a safety strap goes kaput, the rivet has an issue or whatever, 2 screws, 1, 2, push the pin in, pop the pole out. The whole pole comes out. Pop it back in, 2 screws. You're good to go. Easy peasy. Thank you for standing behind your product. Thank you for making things easy. I'm excited to get the Softopper back on again. Watch the video about the install and the removal of the Softopper and my initial impressions of it, all in the Ford Maverick playlist, linked in the description of this video. Give me a subscribe, it means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.